Hello everyone, my name is Ayush Sagar. Today is October 2nd, 2025. I'm sitting here in my UNC Chapel Hill dorm room as a freshman, and I have some very exciting news to share. So, for the past 4 or 5 years, I've had this iPhone XR, which is a really good phone, no doubt. But this used to be my dad's old phone, and then he gave it to me. So I've had this phone for quite a bit. It was released in 2019, I believe, 2018, 2019, and it's been running strong for a really long time. But the biggest news today is I got a brand new phone. So let's check it out. My dad got this phone from the Apple Store in the Crabtree Valley Mall, and it is the iPhone 17 Pro. Yep, I got the orange color. It looks very pretty, I must say myself. There's some regular information on the back. Let's open it up. There's two slots to open this up. Apple is usually known for their exciting packaging and the anticipation that people have when opening it, so let's get a feel of that today. It looks very surreal. So it has the three cameras, it has the little plateau, and then it has the back glass plate. This is very nice. And this is a front screen. Let's take apart the peel. Very satisfying. Very shiny, very clear glass, as you can see here. Wow. Let's see what else is in the box. It just has a simple USB-C charging cable, which is good. I'm glad they switched from the Lightning. And now let's turn it on. It's booting up right now. One of our biggest reasons for getting a iPhone 17 Pro instead of, for example, like the regular 17 was the three cameras. The cameras and the battery life was a huge importance to me, and look at that. It's loading up. United States, appearance, default. It's setting up my phone. It's looking for nearby devices. I believe it's going to connect to my, oh yeah, I have to use. It's very cool. You can see both phones are getting connected and set up, which is another really great thing about the Apple ecosystem. And now it's going to take it a little bit to get set up fully. Look at that. I'm connected to the Wi-Fi. That's good. Okay, it's going to take a little bit for the phone to activate, but I'll just set this here. And in addition to that, luckily my dad had ordered a phone case, a SpyGen phone case, and then just regular screen protectors. We usually get the matte version because my dad really likes the texture and I find it very, very cool to hold itself. That's what I have on my old phone here. You can see it's matte. Would you look at that? This screen protector is not doing too well, but hopefully on my new phone it'll be doing a lot better. Software update. Oh, yeah, no. But I just find the color very, very gorgeous. Would you look at that? It seems a lot brighter as you can see in the video. Let me see if I can change the color of my lamp to show you guys that. Yeah, it's a lot more orangey than it looks on the video if you see it in person, but it's very bulky. It's a really thick phone compared to my old one. But that's just because it has a lot more processing power. It has the A19 Pro chip, and other things like that. MagSafe, all that good stuff. So yeah, I'm getting this phone set up. I'll see you guys in a later video. Thank you.